Hello guys, welcome to Prince Talk Biz Talk. This is a channel where we talk about online courses. We also talk about businesses. We teach you on how to run, start, and manage your business. And today we're still on the topic of financial independence, and I'll be talking about the stages of financial independence. And when talking about the stages of financial independence, we have some few stages. We have number one. Level one is clarity, and the first step is to be aware of your current financial situation, and it includes estimating how much you have, how much money you have, how much debt do you have, and what are the goals that you want to achieve within what period. And it is important to know where one is going to get to, and it is important to know where one is to get to where one wants to go. And then number two, level two, is self-sufficiency. So this stage now concerns being self-sufficient, which means that you being in a position that not to accept help from others to meet one's need. So it may involve living on a paycheck to paycheck, or even taking out loans. And but it is more important to reach a certain level of sufficiency. And then level three is breathing room. And once basic needs are taken care of and people are sufficiently fed, they can work towards building their dreams. And this can be accomplished by saving whatever is left after spending on necessity, and diverting it towards one emergency fund or investing for retirement. And the road to financial freedom demands critical saving skill. And then level four is stability. And these individuals who reach this level, they would have incurred high interest debt, including credit card debt or personal loans. So in addition, they would have saved up an additional 6 months worth of expense as an emergency fund. And this stage allows people to move to one place or shift jobs. So in addition, unexpected shocks such as a job loss can be absorbed by saving. And then level five is flexibility. And in this level now, people in this stage, they have at least 2 years worth of savings, and the saved amount will be sufficient to cover their living expenses. So this amount needs not always to be in hard cash, but it could be in form of investment, as long as it's liquid enough to be assessed when needed. And then level six now is financial independence, and people at this stage now have achieved financial independence, meaning they can live off the income generated from their investments without other sources of income. And however, we find that individuals must invest much of their income to get here, and therefore they might need to downgrade to a simpler life to reduce their living expenses significantly. So pursuing the lifestyle necessitates a shift of perspectives away from the conventional paradigms of personal finance. And then level seven is abundant wealth, where we find this stage is for financially independent people with an investment portfolio that allows them to safely withdraw 4% of their retirement account, adjusted for inflation. So this portfolio of stocks needs to be balanced and should have the potential to grow continuously. So those are some of the levels that you can get, or the stages of financial freedom. I hope you have learned a thing or two. If you have learned something, leave in the comment section and I'll be sure to read it out. Make sure at the end of this video you like, you comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. And if you're interested in learning about financial freedom, you can do this at Finstock University College. Visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com or call them at 0703 313 722 or send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com. Until next time, goodbye.